Welcome to Modern World History. I'm your teacher, Mr. Waters. Before we go through the syllabus, I want to let you know that I understand how difficult this situation is for students, especially students entering a new school for the first time. Please use me as a resource to support you and help you be successful. I'm flexible and understanding, so please be willing to communicate with me if you are having any problems or issues with our class, with access to Google Classroom, or with anything else that might come up. You can reach me by emailing me at watersc@sfusd.edu or by sending me a message directly through Google Classroom. There are many reasons for studying history, but the focus of our course, while we are learning remotely, is going to be our analytical skills. We will be able to apply our analytical skills to all of the information we cover while we are doing distance learning, and those skills will carry over to when we return to in-person learning. While we are learning remotely, we will focus on 3 of our usual themes. Our 3 areas of focus will be politics, economics, and society. Our expectations are also adjusted as we are now focused on applying traditional classroom rules to online classroom etiquette. Please be mindful of online usage and etiquette when participating in class activities. Evaluation, or grades, in modern world history are based on the San Francisco Unified School District's grading policy. We will use a running point total in modern world history. Final grades will be determined by the number of total points earned divided by the number of total possible points. We have also adjusted our assignments. We will focus our note-taking on concept mapping and continue to use our Know and Be Able To worksheets, which will be explained in the chapter module. Our assessments will be short answer questions. We will discuss the process for answering these questions and have an opportunity to practice leading up to our assessments. We may have to make adjustments as we find out more about what works for our class during distance learning. Please sign and return the course syllabus by Thursday, August 20th. I'm looking forward to a great year. Thank you.